All right, this is homework practice 9-6 that we're taking a look at. So we're looking for patterns as we do this, and this should take the kids no time at all. We're taking a look at how the patterns will affect numbers. If we took a section out of a hundreds chart or a thousands chart, here to take a look to see that they can see the patterns in the ones, the patterns in the tens places, and the patterns in the hundreds places. So they can see that as you read across, these numbers are going up by 1 in the ones place. But as we go down a column in the tens place, 7, 8, 9, they're going to each go up by 1. Okay, on this one, they are just literally filling in the numbers. 633, what comes after that? 634, 635, 636, 637, 638. Now, we have to be careful. They might think we need to go to 639. That's not what's going to happen. We're looking at this. This all has threes in the ones place. So now we have to look above and below. This has a 6 in the hundreds. So we've got 3. We know it goes up by ones, 343. So 644, 645, 646, 47, 48. Now this column that we're taking is just from between the 3s and the 8s in the ones column. So we'll look here, 655, because we're going up in the middle here. This is 655. That's a 4. 654. And then if we look here, we've got 600. This is our tens column, so it's going to go up by 1 in the tens place and keep our 8s the same there. Okay, doing the same as we start over here, trying to figure out what number we're starting with. So this might be a little bit trickier for the students. We know it's got to be a 4. This is in the 200s, 294. So this is 0, 9, 8, 284. And then they can take a look at the numbers after it to also help. 287, 288. Now looking as we go straight down, 285, 295. We're adding tens to each one. They can also look here, 304, 305, 306, 307, 308, 309. So just helping them see the patterns. So this is going to be 200. Well, let's take a look. It's easier to go across this way first. 295, 296, 297, 298. Let's head over to the back side here. Excuse me. All right, Manuel thinks the tens digit, not underline that, tens digit, goes up by ones in these numbers. Do you agree? So the tens digit is, does it go up by ones? 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, 1. So yes, it is going up by 1 in the tens place. So basically we're just adding 1 tens place. I know it looks like we're going because we're counting by tens, but it's going up by 1 digit. So 6 tens, 7 tens, 8 tens, 9 tens, 10 tens, 11 tens. Okay, so it's going up by 1. So yes, I would say because each group of 10 goes up by 1 number. Okay. Number 4, Maribel thinks the tens digit goes up by 1 in these numbers. Do you agree? So let's take a look at our tens digits here. Tens, 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 tens. Okay, let's see. We've got a 6, a 6, a 6, a 6, and a 6. So we are the tens digit is not going up, but the ones digit is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I would say no, but the ones digit goes up by 1. Okay, let's take a look here at our higher order thinking. And you can do kind of whatever you would like to. Write 5 3-digit numbers from left to right. The ones digit in your numbers should go up by 1. So we choose any number. I'm going to do 310. And the ones digit is going to go up by 1. So 310, 311, 312, 313, 314. Plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1. Write 5 3-digit numbers from left to right. The tens digit should go up. So this one we did it by ones. So I'm going to just do, I'll do this again with 3s in the hundreds place. And what I'm going to do this time is I'm just going to, let's see, the tens digit should go up by 1. So we've got 300 and we'll do 51, 361, 371, 381, 391. For our assessment, use the numbers on the cards, write the missing numbers in the number chart. So we're going to look around for the missing numbers. So we've got 535, 536, 537, 538. So they should know 539 comes next. There's 539. Okay, now the other ones are going to be a little trickier because we've got to take a look at our other numbers here. Now this has a 5 in the ones place, 5 in the ones place, 5 in the hundreds, 5 in the hundreds. So we know that's going to be a 5 and a 5. So we've got to look at the tens. 3, 5. We know it's going to have to go 3, 4, 5. So we need 545. We've got it right here. Then we've got these two numbers. It's nice. We know that these two have to go in somewhere. So we can take a look at the pattern. 545, 546. We know it's going to be 547. And then we can look 555, 556, 557 on that one as well.